Let me start the engine now. You can see the auto start stop is flashing on the lower right corner. It means that systems failed. The start stop system fault appears. There are some reasons for this start stop fault problem. Part of that is because the computer software problem. Another one maybe because of the wiring problem. But when you surf on the net, you may find that the problem is caused by the battery. To enable this start stop function, your battery has to be start stop compatible. Which is the battery may cost you more, or the battery has to be good enough. It's like 80% of the charging on every time it stopped it. When the battery runs flat or the quality of the battery is not so good, every time it charges below the certain amount of capacity of the current they can apply for the start stop, the car will be automatically stop this function to protect that you may stop on the road without another start. That you get stuck on the road. So today I'm going to change the battery to a brand new one. See if this start-stop problem will be solved. Stay with me. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Give some comments below. And if your friends like this video or they find it useful, you may share this with them. Thank you. When you want to replace the car battery, you have to know the specification for different type of your car. On this one, the specialists say that it is 570901076. So this number should be the same as your battery for any other brand. I ordered the BOSCH battery for replacement just arrived today in the front of my door. So let's open it. I take out from the box packages like this is wrapped up nicely with the plastic bag. So for my interest, let's see how heavy it is. The net weight is 20.2 kilogram. When I lift it up, it's pretty heavy, honestly. It's feels very good, very solid. It is a BOSCH model S5A08 12-volt 7 N-hour, and the CC rating is 760 M. Means that when it is in 0 degree, it can provide up to 760 M for engine start. On the left hand side is a negative terminal, and here is the positive terminal. When I try to lift it, the cover, it's pretty nice, no corrosion, it's not lightly being used before, and you see that it's a little bit shiny because of the metal. Also maybe some oil on top of it for protecting the pulp. In the market, you may see some grease when you buy with the battery. Recommend you to buy the grease as well. You see this? Okay, it's reflecting the oil on it. Also on this part, there is some grease on it for applying there to prevent it from corrosion. The most important is the fitting. The size is 278, 175, 190 millimeters. On different brand, on BOSCH or the Varta, it also called it 096. So it's a very unique number specification on this battery, which is suitable on my car. The other thing you may notice is technology called this one is using AGM. The other one is you may see on the market is called EFB. Both types is in your choice. Let me check the voltage pre-charged on this delivery. So use a normal multimeters. The voltage show is 12.71. That means this battery is charged almost like more than 80% before it's delivered. So when I install in the car, I suppose it's running smoothly by itself. Otherwise, if you find your battery is not charged up to 12 volts, or I would say 12.2, you may have to prepare that when you get on the car, you start, but you have to run it for a while to get it charged. And you can also have the mini charger if you have to charge the battery before you install in your car, which is this time I don't have to do it. When you come to the panel on the lower right hand corner of the steering wheel, auto start stop selection is here. I try to press it. It doesn't go on and off, so this button is simply disabled. By Varta, it's in Germany. It's pretty good, but now it's not good anymore. So what I have to do is remove this screw, and also this one on the positive side. And also this screw, and loosen this screw to take this out. This is a nut. Beware, there's a washer besides that, don't lose it. And then the negative side is this one, is quicker. Now to loosen this screw here, use this wrench. And the last screw from the top of here. And loosen this screw. Beware that this rock, don't lose it, because it can fall down to the bottom of the you can look up here, it can fall down to the bottom of the vehicle. So beware, don't lose this one, and you can take this out with that together. Now to disconnect this negative channel, the negative connector. Beware that if you touch it, you may see some spark on it, but it's normal because it's a very high current between the battery and the board. Now it's not connected, it's safe. Okay, this positive channel, you can wiggle it and use a screwdriver to help if you find it's quite difficult to lift it up. Lift up slowly and then it is loosened. Beware these the fuse here, 450 amp. If you can see it clearly, it's a fuse on the positive channel. So disconnect this, put it here, that's fine, and then you can lift the battery up and then replace it. There's two handles here. The battery, the new one, after weight is like 20 kilograms, so I suppose this one is also like 20 kilograms as well. Okay, before we take it out of use, we remove these two covers. Okay, put this back. No, put a new one, I mean. It's brand new battery. Oh, my glove gets stuck. Alright. Next step is to fit the positive channel here, because all those sensors here, all the fuse here, is more difficult to fix. So you do this one and then you can adjust the position, and then the negative one is become more easy. So you just clip it on, put it going down, and take this screw here and then get your wash and your nuts. So the screw is in, make sure it's tightened. So at this moment I don't tighten it. I do all 4 screws here and then I tighten it because it can be wobbling. You can give some spare space for that. Alright, it's the negative side now. So remove this and so put this on first. Yeah. Make sure this is the right place. And then the watch is to here. I see some sparked. No worries. Put it down. If the spark, you may smell it as well sometimes. So push down as much as you can. So now tighten the screw. So now I have to restore this cap on it. So one side is here. So hold it, because if you don't hold it, this rock may be fall down to the bottom of the vehicle. So put it here loosely, and then you do the other side. The whole idea is not to tighten any screw before all other screws are in the place. So you can still have the flexible size to wobble it, to adjust it in case any places it gets stuck. And tighten this side. So it's all fixed, screw here, and a screw here, and also it is tightened, and here is tightened. So let's go to inside the car, see if the auto start stop will be removed. I jump back to the car. Voltage is 12.9 volt. It's pretty good. The battery is very healthy. So let's give it a test. Let's start the engine, see if the start-stop function is normal. Unfortunately, the sign in the lower right hand corner is still flashing. Start-stop system fault message is still here. So I suppose it's not the battery problem. Some of you may solve this problem by replacing the battery, but my car doesn't. It must be some other problems, some other issue on this car. I will investigate it further. When I get a result, I will post another video here. So please stay tuned. At the same time, please subscribe my video if you find it useful, and hit the notification button. So I have the new video for the next test. You can know it immediately. Share this video with your friends if you find it useful, and give some comment below. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.